Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you're happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to walk correctly. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Walking should be brisk walking or jogging, so that the heart rate reaches 100 to 120 beats per minute. This exercise has a positive effect on the knee and ankle strength. It is also very effective in preventing osteoarthritis and osteoporosis. Walking should be done according to certain principles. Otherwise, it will damage the hip and will have the opposite effects. A senior expert in physical education stated that walking is the healthiest sport that is recommended to all people with any condition. But do you know how to walk properly? Stay tuned with us to get your answer. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Body posture. Body posture is the first step to keeping comfort and energy in walking. Proper posture when walking helps you breathe properly and deeply, engage your core muscles, and use your leg and hip muscles for optimal walking. It is also a factor in preventing humpback and bloating that many people experience at work and when using a mobile phone. Poor walking posture can cause pain after walking. Walking correctly will relieve the pain. So, take some seconds to adjust your posture at the beginning of each walk. To have a good walking posture, follow these tips. Number 1. Stand up straight and put your feet together at a reasonable distance. The toes can be angled slightly but should be forward. Number 2. Do not arch your back. Number 3. Do not bend forward or backward. Imagine a string tied to the top of your head so that the string lifts you from the pelvis to stand up straight. Number 4. Shrink your abdomen slightly and engage the central muscles of your abdomen. This helps maintain a good posture when walking. Number 5. Keep your pelvis straight. Do not bend your hips forward or backward to maintain the natural curvature of your spine. Number 6. Do not look down and in front of your feet. Focus your eyes at a distance of 3 to 6 meters. In this case, you can see the obstacles in front of you and prevent tension from entering the upper half of the body. If you look down on your legs, it will put unnecessary pressure on your upper back and neck. Number 7. Keep your chin parallel to the floor. If you keep looking forward to what has been said before, this will resolve itself. Still, it is best to be careful not to bend your chin up or down. Walking with the head down, for example, when looking at a cell phone and bending the neck backward, causes tension in the upper body and pressure on the neck. At the same time, you will lose the beautiful and energetic landscapes around you. Number 8. Raise your shoulders and relax while tilting your shoulders slightly back. Rotate your shoulders up, back, and then down. This is where your shoulders should be when walking. Shoulders should not rise above your ears. Imagine that you want to keep your shoulders away from your ears so that the tension in your upper body is reduced and your arms move easily. This helps minimize shoulder tension in many people and adjusts the position to use arm movement. Now you are ready to walk. Move the arms. Targeted arm movements can increase your speed and cause you to burn 5 to 10% more calories. They also help you balance when moving your legs. If you add arm movement to your walk, your speed will increase. There are some false examples of brisk walking with arm movements. In this way, the arms make compressive movements in the air or are pulled out of the body. You should know that this type of arm movement does not help you. Proper movement of the arms when walking is to bend your elbow 90 degrees. Tie your hands slightly but do not clench your fists. Knotting fists can increase your blood pressure. With each step, bring the opposite arm of your front foot straight, not diagonally, forward. Bring the opposite arm straight back as you bring your front foot back. Keep your elbows close to your body, and do not throw them out. Your forearm should not cross the center of your body. Your hand should not be higher than your sternum when moving forward and should be lowered. If moving your arms makes you tired, do this for 5 to 10 minutes. Relax your arms so that they move naturally around your body. Movement of the legs. Walking should be smooth. If your feet get hurt while walking, you probably wear stiff, inappropriate shoes. Flexible shoes help you to move your legs properly. Take the proper step. To take the right step, first, place the heel on the ground. Next, place the soles of your feet and toes on the floor. Push the heel forward with the toes and lift the heel off the ground. Bring the back foot forward and place the heel on the ground. You may feel a little tired and sore at the beginning of this movement and until the calf muscles are strengthened. This feeling of tiredness is perfectly normal when you first start walking for fitness or change the type of movement of your legs, steps, or shoes. Pressing the back foot is the key to walking with strength and speed. Unfortunately, this perspective often causes us to become overwhelmed when it's time to start. This puts more strain on your lower leg joints and does not give you enough strength to walk. It is best to ask a friend to watch you walk to see if you take very long steps in your normal walking pattern. Walking is one of the most comfortable, effective, and affordable exercises. It also has many health benefits, but if you do it properly. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.